So right here we're moving this semi-trailer with this forklift. We're using this semi attachment. I don't know how safe it is, but it looks pretty safe. Just moving it.
Alright, so I'm gonna drive this way, drop the trailer, and then I'm gonna re-hook it on right here. And then
Push it back
this way. The front of it's gonna be about where that yellow compactor is, and I'm gonna unhook it.
then go over.
Drive on the side and just scoot it back.
Sweet.
Warming up, and we'll eat elk brats here in about 30 minutes.
Sweet.
I'm fucking hungry.
Yeah.
How cool is this thing?
I know.
Isn't it cool?
Yeah.
Moving the semi-trailers around.